Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken and marinade. So let's get crocking. In my last video I mentioned that I bought barbecue sauce, or thought I did, and it turned out to be marinade. So I'm going to use Kinder's Original Marinade. That's what I ended up getting. And I'm going to use chicken thighs, but you could use any kind of chicken you like, I guess, breasts or legs. And what I usually like to do is just rinse the chicken in warm water and then pull the skin off. I just don't like the way the skin turns out in the slow cooker, so I like to pull it off, but you can leave it on if you would rather. So I'll just take the skin off like that and get these into the slow cooker. I'll do the rest of these. This marinade has soy sauce in it, so it's pretty salty. Also has some lemon juice and spices. I'm going to use half a cup. Should be about right. And you know me, I think I'll add some Johnny's seasoned pepper as well. This has no salt in it. Besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Alright, that looks good. Now I'll get the lid on there. I'm going to cook this on high. If you cook it on low, it'll probably take about twice as long, but I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's cooked on high for 3 hours, and it's been on warm for about another hour, so let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good to me. Let me grab a plate and we'll try it out. I also cooked this in my toaster oven to go with it. It was just a cup of rice, cup of jasmine rice, 2 cups of water, and then I sprinkled some broccoli and baby carrots on top and cooked it for 40 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how this looks here. I put a little bit of that marinade on the rice here, the rice and vegetables. Let's try that. That's good. That's a fairly salty marinade, but that's pretty good flavor. Chicken looks really good. Looks nice and moist. All right, let's try a little bit of the rice with it there. Here we go. That's good. It's more salty than like teriyaki. Actually, teriyaki is more sweet, but this is kind of a different take on it. I like it. Annie's dancing over here, so I guess we better let her try it. Want to try it out there, Annie? Inhaled. Well, that was good. It's always fun to try something new. And I've done this with teriyaki quite a few times. If you like teriyaki, this is the one I usually use, the Mr. Yoshida's sweet teriyaki. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.